Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for July. And this is the Walkabout cam. It was a great event. Lots of cars out there. More cars than I expected because of how hot it was. But, you know, it's hot, so it's Florida. It's July. It's going to be hot. What do you expect? Anyway, so we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
We're good. How about you?
All right, we got time on our side, but a lot of people don't. None of us do. We don't know if we're going to see tomorrow. We're doing a benefit. We're not mentioning names. We're keeping everything kind of quiet, hush hush. The guy don't know we're doing it for him, but we're helping out a family. So y'all make sure y'all get some raffle tickets and set it up. Let's try to love one of our fellow club members and fellow hot rodder. And on that, I want to thank Jacksonville Area Mopar showing up today, and all the other car clubs, Dixie Chatner Pontiac Club. I want to thank Brian Brainer for coming out, his wife. And y'all just remember, we help each other when we keep on going, keep on cruising for another day. First Coach Camaro also. Any other car clubs I missed, y'all come up and let me know. We got people out of Waycross. We got Chris Cox and all them. So if y'all got a club or something, when you buy some tickets, just let Brad and the family know up there. Let Gordy know. We'll try to get y'all announced. We want to let y'all know and let y'all know y'all are recognized. Thank y'all for coming to the Callahan Cruise.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers monthly cruise in for July. We didn't get as much video as we would have liked because we had some camera malfunctions, but you know that happens. So anyway, we took a lot of video. We did what we could do. We enjoyed ourselves. And we hope you would like, subscribe, comment, and share this video around. Share it around to your car people. Share it around to your non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. We like everybody. Anyway, we're at 282 subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 for our initial monetization goal. And any help you guys would be on that would be great. We'd appreciate it. We love all our subscribers. So, like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We'll keep going out to the car shows and keep filming the car shows as long as you guys keep watching. So we'll see you guys out there on the next one, wherever the next car show takes us.